No, it's bad. Yeah, I am pissed. I am pissed about this situation. It's childish. It's childish. It's childish.
I won't even stoop that.
Yes, but it's childish. It's childish what you're doing. It's very childish.
Do not.
Don't tell me what to do.
Do not.
But don't tell me what to do. But what you're doing is childish. Doesn't make any sense.
Don't do it.
You couple
I don't care about
No, come on.
Take your time with me.
Why do you have to do it to someone else's personal hygiene?
Never click your tongue.
It's not your problem.
I don't click my tongue at you.
It's not your issue.
I don't swear at you. It's not your first rodeo swearing.
No.
I don't swear at you. I'm not paying and I'm not even stooping.
I'm not saying that you
Don't ever do that,
saying
man.
what you're saying.
It's on footage. It's fine. Don't ever pay.
It's fine.
I've spoken to you about that.
Someone else's business. What is someone else's personal hygiene your problem? The fuck? So fucking immature. The fuck? The fuck? Fucking regulate wherever you go.
Listen, we need to talk about this because the level of delusion in that house is reaching an all-time high. It's about time Melly found his backbone and he told Thandeka exactly where to get off. Honestly, I've been waiting for this moment like a kid is waiting for Christmas. So Thandeka and Melly are cleaning the bathroom. Actually, Melly's cleaning the bathroom and Thandeka was in the closet side. So I'm not sure who are they talking about, but it's a female housemaid. And Thandeka was, going on about the hygiene of this housemaid. And Melly reached, a boiling point and told her where to get off. He asked her, where do you enter kwi hygiene yenyingane? So where do you enter on someone else's hygiene? You're talking about her private part, you're talking about her armpits. Leave her alone. And then Melly clicked his tongue. And Thandeka played the victim. Honestly, Thandeka is trying to play the victim here because Melly clicked his tongue, but Thandeka claimed that Melly was swearing at her. Melly never swore at her. The man was just exhausted by the immaturity, the level of immaturity and the level of childish that Thandeka is, displaying. So Melly is calling Thandeka out for her childish and immature, and that is not an insult. It's just a clinical diagnosis at this point. Why does she insert herself in another woman's hygiene routine? It's weird. It's obsession, and it's definitely not giving queen energy at all. And when Melly told her to go regulate, listen, I was like, yes, finally, someone is telling you what you are telling people, okay? And the silence that followed was deafening. He didn't even have to raise his voice. He just needed to state the fact. And if you are still here, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. This is my shader verdict, okay? Thandeka is out here trying to weaponize hygiene to tear another woman down, but all she did was make herself look messy. I mean, you can have the best skincare routine in the world, but if your personality is stinking up the house, no amount of glow is going to save you, not even from your lover, Melly. Bottom line is, Melly 1, Thandeka 0. You can't claim someone is attacking you when you've been the one throwing stones at people's hygiene and privacy all week. Until the next one. Bye.